Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A14 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set Wi-Fi calling in your phone Samsung Galaxy A14. First, go to the settings of your phone here and go to connections. And here you will see Wi-Fi calling. Just click that, and here read the instruction: make and receive calls over a Wi-Fi connection whenever available. So over Wi-Fi connection you can make call and receive call. Okay. So turn on the button against SIM card. This is SIM card name Minky. Just I turn on. Okay, calling preference here. Two options available: Wi-Fi preferred and mobile network preferred. Okay, by default it is selected to Wi-Fi preferred. If you want to use your mobile data network too, yes, you can select mobile data, mobile network preferred. Okay, so here I set to Wi-Fi preferred only. So over Wi-Fi you can call to this Mingy SIM card, or you can make call from this SIM card to other persons. Okay, then for another SIM card also you can set Wi-Fi calling. Just turn on this button and you can make and receive calls over Wi-Fi connection now. Whenever available, you can use Wi-Fi connection for making calls and receive calls, making calls. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.